Planning an event and need some inspiration for your digital signage content? You've come to the right place. Digital signage is crucial at an event. It will help the process flow smoothly for you and your audience. You can start by using digital signage to promote your event before it starts. Create a visually engaging campaign to bring high attendance and use our free layout templates to help. During the event, use your signs for easy navigation of the venue. Don't let your attendees wander aimlessly. Show clear directions and a map of the area. Display live schedules for each area of the event so everyone knows where and when they can find exactly what they want. And if changes occur, no worries, you can quickly and remotely update your signs in no time. Engage your audience with your brand and encourage interaction with your social media accounts by showcasing your feeds with our free social media apps, or sew a social media wall with tag box display or Wool's.io. And lastly, keep everyone safe and informed by displaying real-time alerts in case of an emergency at the click of a button. Show us what you've done with your digital signs and be featured in our social media.